Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing the 12 Occupational Health and Safety or OHS, which is part of the review for taking Computer Hardware Servicing National Certificate Level 2 at Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA. But first, before we proceed, it's a big appreciation for me if you first click the subscribe button below and bell icon for you to be updated on our next video. Thank you. And now, let's begin after the intro. OHS or Occupational Health and Safety. It refers to the legislations, policies, procedures, and activities that aim to protect the health, safety, and welfare of all people at the workplace. Number 1. Do not work alone so that there's someone who can take care of you in case of emergency. Number 2. Always power off the computer and unplug the computer before working on it. Number 3. Take away any liquid near your working area to avoid getting electrocuted or accidentally damaging the computer parts. Number 4. Be careful with the tools that may cause short circuit. Number 5. Always ground or discharge yourself before touching any parts of the computer. Number 6. Do not use excessive force if things don't quite slip into place. Number 7. Clean the area before and after using it to maintain sanitation and prevent accident. Number 8. Hold the components on the edge and do not touch the integrated circuit or IC part. Number 9. Always wear PPE or personal protective equipment in accordance with the organization's OHS procedure and practices. Number 10. Make sure that the pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connectors. Number 11. Contingency measures during workplace accidents, fire, and other emergencies are recognized. And lastly, number 12. Use brush, compressed air, or blower in cleaning the computer system. And that's it for our topic for today. Please leave a thumbs up if this video helps you a lot. Thank you.